This is Code.org. I'm working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 4, Controlling Variables with Memory, Puzzle 27. Can't figure out the values of A, B, and C? Using what you know about variables reassignment, you should be able to trace the code to keep track of the values of A, B, and C as they change. You should also have a sense of the possible errors that could occur. Trace the code and choose the option that correctly shows what will be displayed. All right, this is a bit tricky, but you want to start. So A is set to 3. B is initiated. B is equal to 7. And the variable C is equal to 10. Then we hit this stuff. Now, the computer sees this and says, oh, okay, so you're going to set A equal to something new. Okay, so A equals something new. What? A, and it still can use this for A because it knows it's changing A, but it hasn't yet. So it knows A needs a new value. It's going to be equal to this stuff. So 3 plus B plus 7 is 10. So A should be 10. So that limits some of the options, right? If A is 10, 10 plus B is still 7 because it hasn't been reassigned. The computer sees this and says B needs a new value, but it first then says, okay, what is it? And it reads this first. So we can use B old's value. So 10 and old value 7 is 17. B is 17. We're down to 2. C is A, which we said is 10 plus 17, which is 27. Let's see. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's keep going.